Сайн байцгаана уу? Мандлаа агшин байна. За бүгдээрээ Summer Adventures гэсэн хуваарийн дагуу математикийн хичээлийг үргэлжлүүлье. Day 4 өнөөдөр мөн адил 2 математикийн хичээл байна. За эхний математикийн хичээл маань read clocks and write times буюу яг уу цагийг хараад цагаа өгөгдсөн цагийг бичих. Хоёр дахь нь read calendar буюу хуанлыг хараад он сар өдрөө зөв бичих гэсэн ийм дасгал ажлууд байна. За эхнийхээ хичээлийг эхлүүлье. За яг ийм цагийн зүйтэй 2 зүйтэй байж болно, 3 зүйтэй ч байж болно те. Яг ийм цагийг болвол analog clock гэж ярьдаг. Analog clocks ийм цагнууд бол за энэ цаг бол 2 зүйтэй байна тийм үү? Зүү буюу англиар бол hands гэж хэлэгдэнэ. За shorthand богино зүү болвол яг цаг хэлнэ. За урт зүү буюу the long hand shows the minutes буюу яг минут. За ийм зүйлийг мэдэх хэрэгтэй. За өшөө дээрээс нь яг тооноос тооны хооронд 5-ын давтамжтай явж байгаа. Энэ минут байсан бол яг 5 минут, 10 минут, 15 минут гэх мэтчлэн 5-аар нэмэгдээд явна гэсэн. За цагийн хувьд бол ойлгомжтой 1 цаг, 2 цаг, 3 цаг гэж яг зааж байгаа таагаараа явна гэсэн. За ингээд дасгал ажлаа эхлүүлье. What time does the clock show? Энэчнээс бол богино зүү маань энд байна. Богино зүү дөрвийг заасан байна. Тийм учраас эндээ 4 цаг гэж харагдаж байна. What time does the clock show? The shorthand is pointing at 1. It is 1 o'clock. What time does the clock show? Again, we're looking for the shorthand. Shorthand is pointing at 6, and it is 6 o'clock. What time does the clock show? Now it gets a little bit tricky. Right here, the shorthand is between the 2 and the 3. And also, my long hand for the minutes is halfway round. So, that means it's already past 2 and it is on its way to 3. Now, it's past 2. That's the hour we will write. And minutes already given. That indicates what? We are halfway past 2. So it is 2:30. What time does the clock show? Again, my shorthand is between the 9 and the 10 on the way to 10. That means it's past 9. It is 9:30. What time does the clock show? The shorthand shows it's past 10. So the time is 10:30. What time does the clock show? It is 7 o'clock. What time does the clock show? All right, now we know the hour. Here, we're looking for the minutes. Minutes is shown by the long hand. And it is pointing at 12. That's always 0 and 0. What time does the clock show? It's past 8, so it is 8:30. What time does the clock show? It's past 12. It is 12:30. What time does the clock show? Now, again, we're looking for the minutes. The minutes, the long hand is pointing at 12. That indicates it is 0, 0. It's 11 o'clock. What time does the clock show? It is 10 o'clock. What time does the clock show? It is 5 o'clock. What time does the clock show? All right, we're looking for the minutes hand. Minutes is told by the long hand. Long hand moves number to number, adding 5 at a time. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. It is 3:30. What time does the clock show? It is 2 o'clock. What time does the clock show? It is 9 o'clock. What time does the clock show? It is past 4, in between 4 and 5, so it is 4:30. What time does the clock show? It is 1:30. What time does the clock show? It is 7:30. Now we're entering the challenge zone. What time does the clock show? It's past 6, so it is 6:30. It is 8 o'clock. Here is a challenge for you. Another way to say 8 o'clock is 8 on a dot. Oh, what's going on? There we go. 8 o'clock. What time does the clock show? It is 11 o'clock. No, 11:30. It is 9:30. Now, last one. What time does the clock show? It is 5:30. Brilliant.